A leaking windshield can be more than just annoying. It can lead to interior water damage, mold, and even electrical problems if not fixed promptly. Here's a simple guide to help you identify and fix a leaking car windshield. The first step in fixing a leaking windshield is to figure out exactly where the water is coming in. To locate the leak more accurately, have someone slowly spray water over the windshield while you sit inside the car, and watch closely for any signs of water dripping or seeping through. Another optional method is to use soapy water. Spray a mixture of soap and water around the edges of the windshield, then gently blow air from inside the car toward those areas. If bubbles appear, it indicates where air and likely water is leaking through. These simple tests can help you pinpoint the exact spot that needs sealing. Once you have found the source of the leak, it's important to thoroughly clean the area before applying any sealant. Start by drying the area completely, making sure there's no moisture left behind. A clean surface ensures a stronger, longer-lasting seal and helps the repair work more effectively. Once you have identified and cleaned the leaking area, the next step is to seal it. Use a clear automotive silicone or windshield sealant. Carefully apply the sealant along the edge of the windshield where the leak was found, making sure to cover the gap completely. To ensure a smooth and tight seal, use a gloved finger or a plastic tool to gently press and spread the sealant evenly. Allow it to dry fully. This usually takes between 12 to 24 hours. A windshield sealer is a special adhesive or sealant used to fix small leaks around the edges of your car's windshield. It's a quick, affordable solution that can save you from costly water damage and keep your car interior dry and protected. Permatex Windshield and Glass Sealer is a specially formulated sealant designed to stop leaks around windshields, windows and other glass surfaces in your vehicle. Its flowable silicone formula allows it to easily reach into narrow gaps, cracks, and hard-to-reach spots, forming a strong, clear, waterproof seal. This sealer is resistant to extreme temperatures, weather and most automotive chemicals, making it ideal for long-lasting repairs. It's perfect for sealing small leaks and preventing moisture from getting into your car's interior, helping you maintain comfort and avoid water damage. Keeping your windshield properly sealed not only protects your car, it also keeps you and your passengers safe and comfortable in any weather.